Aster buds.
Hey Aster buds! Welcome back to our series on vegetable categories. Today, we're exploring the incredible world of cruciferous vegetables, a diverse group of nutrient-packed superfoods. These vegetables are not only versatile in the kitchen but also powerful allies for your health. Some of the vegetables which belong to the cruciferous family are already covered in the root vegetables video, and some of they are covered in the leafy vegetables video. This is because the edible part which was either root or the leafy part of the vegetable. If you haven't watched those videos yet, check the description for the links. Broccoli. Broccoli is a powerhouse of vitamin C, vitamin K, folate, fiber, sulforaphane and antioxidants. Vitamin C boosts immunity and skin health. Vitamin K enhances bone health and aids in blood clotting. Folate supports cell regeneration and brain health. Fiber aids digestion and promotes a healthy gut microbiome. Sulforaphane, an antioxidant that helps fight cancer and helps detoxify harmful compounds in the body. Broccoli reduces inflammation, supports heart health, and fights oxidative stress. Cauliflower. Low in calories but rich in vitamin C, choline, fiber, and antioxidants. Vitamin C boosts immune health and promotes collagen production. Choline supports brain development and liver health. Fiber promotes digestion and prevents constipation. Antioxidants reduce inflammation. Cauliflower supports weight management and detoxification of the body. Enhances brain health and prevents cognitive decline. Helps in weight management due to its low-calorie content. Cauliflower is versatile for roasting, mashing, or using as a rice substitute. Brussels sprouts. Packed with vitamin C, fiber, omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants. Vitamin C boosts immunity and promotes radiant skin. Vitamin K enhances bone strength and supports blood clotting. Fiber maintains digestive health. Omega-3 fatty acids support heart and brain health. Brussels sprouts boost immunity and reduce inflammation. Protects against chronic diseases with its high antioxidant content. Improves heart health by lowering cholesterol levels. Brussels sprouts are best roasted or sautéed. Kohlrabi. A mildly sweet cruciferous vegetable, kohlrabi is high in vitamin C, fiber, potassium and glucosinolates. Vitamin C enhances immunity and collagen synthesis. Fiber promotes gut health and prevents constipation. Potassium regulates blood pressure. Glucosinolates help detoxify the liver and reduces the risk of cancer. Improves heart health by regulating blood pressure and cholesterol. Kohlrabi is a bulbous vegetable that can be eaten raw or cooked, offering a mild, sweet flavor. Used in salads or stir-fries. That's it for today's journey into the world of cruciferous vegetables. We hope you've discovered some new favorites to add to your diet. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fun and educational content like this. Let us know in the comments which cruciferous vegetable is your favorite. Until next time, eat healthy and stay curious.